Fette Compacting. Be efficient.
Hi, my name is Andreas. Did you know that Fette Compacting has a very large network of more than 100 service technicians to support you in the best possible way all over the world? Each one of them is specially trained to become your service technician, certified by Fette Compacting. Our main goal? To keep your machines running at top quality without any interruption. Together with our subsidiaries and our wide range of services, we can assist you quickly and efficiently in all time zones worldwide. In case of any issue, just contact us. Our highly experienced Fette Compacting experts will serve you directly and work with you to find a solution that meets your needs. In our example, an error message appears on the HMI screen, but it's unclear to the operator. Something is wrong with the OPC connection. The quickest way to solve such a situation is to connect to the machine's computer. Once we are connected to the machine, we start analyzing the system to find and resolve the issue for you. It is very important to check all settings and to adjust them as required. Quickly done by an expert, especially remotely. As you can see, digital service is not just a buzzword for us. We are working on this basis every day and for all kinds of service cases, for your satisfaction. No matter what challenge you face, our experts will be available remotely or on-site, all over the world. We make sure that your Fette Compacting machines and equipment always run trouble-free and produce with the highest performance and quality. Contact us for any further information.
Fette Compacting. Be efficient.